Hello viewers, here I am with my new video. I'm going to start from question number 5th, second sub question of exercise 4.3. So let's see what is given and what I have done here. Our question says that factorize it. Equation was 32 minus 2 x minus 4 whole square. So what I did, first of all I have taken 2 common. That was the first method. Now what is the remaining thing here? Here is 16 because 2 16 are 32, and from 2 it is out of the bracket, so here is x minus 4 square. Now I've converted 16 into 4 square so that I can make a square minus b square form of this equation. Now this is a square minus b square, therefore I have written 4 plus x minus 4 and 4 minus x minus 4. Once I have added this number and second time I have subtracted with this one. So I have written 4x plus minus 4 and 4 minus x minus 4. In next step, I have shown that 4 plus 4 and minus 4 cancelled, and when this bracket is opened, 4 minus x, and this minus and minus is plus, and then this bracket and this 4 is there. Now here only x is left, so 2 into x, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 minus x. It means there are 3 factors, 2 into x into 8 minus x. So first factor, second factor and third factor is 8 minus x of this algebraic expression. Now we will continue with question number 7 first, and question was 50x square minus 2 into x minus 2 whole square. So what we'll do, we'll try to convert into a square minus b square form. Since 50 is not square of any number, neither 2 is any square of any number, so we'll try to take something common. So what is that number? That will be 2. Now what is the remaining thing here? Here is 25 x square, and here it is x minus 2 square. Okay, after that what? Instead of writing 25 x square, we will write 5x whole square, and here is x minus 2 whole square. Now we are having a square minus b square form, so once we will add it and then second we will subtract this number to this. So what I will write, it is 5x plus x minus 2 and 5x minus x, okay, minus 2 in second bracket. Directly we can do that, minus x plus 2, but maybe you feel confusion, so I'm showing that thing also, that at first we added second number and second we are subtracting this one. Now what is the change? It is 5x and x is what? 6x. So it is 6x minus 2, and here this will be 5x minus x plus 2 because minus minus plus. So now 2 into 6x minus 2, and then 4x plus 2. But when I will see this number, I find that we can take 2 common from here, 2 common from here. So first 2 from here and second 2 common from here. So what is the remaining thing? This will be 2 3 ja, and here is 3x minus 1, and in this bracket 2x plus 2. Okay, so that is equals to 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. First factor is 8, second factor is 3x minus 1, and third factor is 2x plus it's here is 1, 2x plus 1. So this is your final answer. I hope it is clear what I have done. I have taken 2 as common, then converted into square form, then followed the rule a plus b, a minus b. Then we saw that we can take 2 common from both the brackets because 6 and 2 both are multiple of 2, 4 and 2 is also multiple of 2. So from here I have taken 1 2, and from here also I have taken out as common factor. So remaining thing are this one, 3x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So these are the 3 factors of given expression. Okay, now here is our second question of 7th number. Let's see how we'll solve it. Question was x minus 2 into x plus 2 plus 3. So what we'll do, we can see that it is a minus b, a plus b. So we can write x square minus 2 square, and this one is 3. Now x square minus 2 square is what? X square minus 4 plus 3. Okay, then we will solve it. X square minus 4 plus 3 is what? It is minus 1. Again it is converted into a square minus b square form. 1 means 1 square. So now it came in this form of a square minus b square. So now we will write a plus b, a minus b. In that way we will write it. So x plus 1 into x minus 1, this is the answer of this equation. If so my question asks me that factorize this equation, so these are the two factors, x plus 1 and x minus 1. Now question number 8 first. See what is given in my question. X minus 2y minus x square plus 4y square. So what we'll do here, solution. Here is x minus 2y. Here we will take something common. What is that? Instead of writing this, what we'll do, we have taken common minus 1. What is the remaining thing? Here is x square minus 4 square. Now what we will do, again we will copy all these things, x minus 2y minus 1 within bracket x square, and instead of writing 4y square we will write 2y whole square. Okay, now we can see that this is in the form of a square minus b square. So we are going to do that. Once we will write x plus 2y, and second we will write x minus 2y. So let's see, x minus 2y minus 1 within bracket x plus 2y and x minus 2y. I hope it is clear what I have done here. Now if you will see, there are two groups. From this group and from this group we can take common x minus 2y. Then what are the remaining things? Here it is 1, and here minus 1 into x plus 2y. These are the things. X minus 2y is outside the bracket, so here we have written 1, and here also this one is out of bracket, so these two terms are there, minus 1 and this. So after that we will write x minus 2y into 1 minus x minus 2y. So these are the two factors of this given algebraic expression. Answer over. Thank you.